Hello students, welcome to Shorab's classes. So in today's video, we'll be solving a few questions from NDA 2018 mathematics paper. So today we'll start with question number 98. So in question number 98, it is given y equals to e to the power x to the power 2 sine 2x. So it is given y equals y to the power x to the power 2 sine 2x. Now then what is dy dx at x equals to pi? So we have to find what will be dy dx at x equals to pi. So how do we find it? For this, what we have to do, we know if you simply differentiate it, it will be dy dx equals to, we know sine 2x will stay here as common and it will be e to the power x to the power 2x. So why 2x? Because this 2 will come here, and similarly it will be, now with UV method, it will be e to the power x to the power 2 and sine 2x will become cos 2x, and again from here x as a variable which is 2, that will come here, so it will be 2. So now if you simply further solve it, you will get it to be minus 2 e to the power x to the power square, which is pi sine 2 pi plus cos 2 pi. Now if you simply solve it, it will be dy by dx, basically x equals to pi, which is equals to 2 e to the power pi square pi sine 2 pi plus cos 2 pi, which is basically equals to 2e to the power pi square. So for question number 98, as you can see, the right answer would be C, option C. So for question number 98, the right answer would be option C. Now we'll go to the next question, that is question number 99. So in question number 99, it is given what is the solution for this, which is given as 1 plus 2x dy minus 1 minus 2y dx equals to 0. So what will be the solution? For this, we first have to, allow me to take a page here. So here we'll simply write down the question once. So for question number 99, it is given 1 plus 2x dy is basically equals to, sorry, it is minus it is minus 1 minus 2y dx equals to 0. Now if you further solve it, it will be dy by 1 minus 2y equals to dx by 1 plus 2x. Now by integrating both side, we'll get, by integration of both side, we'll get dy by 1 minus 2y equals to dx by 1 plus 2x. Now if you further solve it, you will get the value to be, here we'll get 1 by minus 1 by 2 dy by y minus half, which will be equals to half into dx by x plus 1 by 2. So now if you further solve it, you will get the value to be minus log y minus half equals to log x plus half plus c1. So now if you further solve it, you will get the value to be log modulus x plus half into y minus half, which will be equals to minus c1. Now if you further solve it, you'll get the value to be equals to xy minus half x plus half y minus 1 by 4, which is equals to e to the power minus c1. So now if you further solve it, you will get the value to be 2xy minus x plus y, which is equals to e to the power minus c1 plus half. So now if you further solve it, you will get the value to be x minus y minus 2xy equals to minus e to the power minus c1 half. So it will be equals to x minus y minus 2xy equals to c. How do we get it? Because we know c is basically equals to minus e to the power minus c1 minus half. So now if you simply go back to the question again, we find the option A is the right answer. So in today's video we solve a few questions from NDA 2018 mathematics question. I hope you guys have understood it. If you still have any query or doubt, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number, which is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.showropsersclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed for different entrance exam. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.